set. Start this up. Pull it forward a little bit. Just hold for a second. First you set that down all the way.
Oh, you set down all the way to the bottom?
All the way to dismount.
Okay.
So little tractor.
Oh, okay.
And now we'll take the deck. Let me get this bagger off first.
Alright, so that just slides out. That looks pretty easy.
Warm in here than I thought I was going to. Don't need the cut, I don't think.
Well, actually, this garage is heated.
My knees are bothering me, so got my little kneeling pillow. Not the best thing, but it does the trick. And put this pen out here. I'm gonna take this pen out. Here. Slide this out. When you do these swaps, you want to put everything back where you take it off from.
Right.
That way there, not only do you not lose things, but then it kind of gives you an idea where it goes back.
That's a good idea. Oh,
You don't want to hang the tire chains up too when you're done with them.
Okay.
Instead of throwing them in a pile. That way there, you don't get all knotted up.
Okay.
I'm saying for this.
Well, it came delivered. It came delivered with the bagger on it.
Yeah, they can send it to you. You just gotta put these 4 bolts. It comes with these brackets. Just, you know, do the same as this one. It's just a, like I said, it's just a straight one. That's all. Actually, do you want me to leave? Do you want me to leave this on so you hang those on there for now?
Yeah.
I'm so used to taking them off. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, no, that actually makes sense.
So the deck all the way down. Real easy. Take the belt off first. Pop the belt off.
Okay, and let's just lever that with a screwdriver or something.
No, I'm going to show you once I get it out. I'll explain it to you.
All right.
You actually use a ratchet. Pop that out. Lift that up. Same thing on the other side. front. So pins off. When you go to reinstall this, it goes on this way with these up.
Okay.
All right, so you take that, put that with the mower, so get the deck out.
Okay, so now you pull the deck up.
Yeah, you want to get the arms out of the way
Okay,
so you can slide the deck out.
got it.
Now,
I saw something on a video where they pulled these wheels things out and made them turn.
you can do that. Put a 2x4 underneath there
Oh,
and pull the little pins out, and then you can roll it back and forth that way.
okay.
They should have a hole. Alright. So when you go to put this back on, alright, this belt goes like that.
Uh-huh.
Put a ratchet, 3/8 ratchet in here,
Uh-huh.
and it takes in
Okay, so the
takes this and moves this over so you can get the belt onto the deck.
okay, so that's the ratchet piece.
Yeah.
And then when you pull that, you tension it so it'll give you
Yeah,
some.
you're gonna pull it so that
Got
takes
it.
pressure off. Right now it's all the way
And
pulled.
that's how you get it off.
That's how you get. You can take it
Get
off like
on
that
and
too.
off. Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
Okay, so
Definitely good to know.
now I'm gonna put the bracket on underneath, the front bracket on, and then the blower on. And then chains. This is for you, right here. Keep that safe.
Okay, ship pins manual.
Cover the front. Work. This is the bracket that goes underneath with the mower deck one on.
Okay, and that has to come off when you go put the mower deck back on again.
Yes.
I assume.
Yes.
Okay.
It has 2 stationary pins and then 2 pins that go in.
All right.
So it goes underneath here this way, just like this.
A good thing is it's only pins and not
Yeah, this
not
is actually
tools.
not that bad to do. These are pretty useful. This bracket, we have the front right here. So, the mower bracket went in. Install these brackets. And go on like so. Another clip. There. That's fine. You wouldn't happen to have a hammer handy, would you?
Yeah.
Back the bar for a second, please. Clip goes on. That'll wear, and you want to use the hammer after this. It's just because of a little bit of paint, you know what I'm saying?
Yep.
Same thing as the other side. Okay, now, you can use that back. Thank you very much.
This would be interesting if you had to use the manual.
Now this bracket goes on, this stays on if you want, or you can take it off if you think it's going to be in the way of your knee when you're mowing. But it's pretty much out of the way, so most people just leave it on.
Well, so far, as a mower, I give this tractor an A.
Well, that's good to hear. Now for the snowblower. So, fellas. Lock those in place. And then let's move this over here.
Is it easier when this thing is sitting on a dolly?
No, you want to do it right on the ground.
Okay.
If you want to just hold on to that for me.
All right.
This way. Yeah. You just want to make sure these are locked in. Feel them under there. Make sure that pin's all the way in, shots in.
Okay.
So make sure that's locked. Now, I'm going to suggest this driveway, put those skid shoes all the way down.
Yeah.
All right?
Yeah, that's my game plan, because I don't want to be flinging rocks every which way.
So now you got to climb underneath to pop the belt on. It's the only way to do it.
Okay. Yeah, I have all my vehicles are four-wheel drive, so I don't.
I would think so with this driveway. Yeah. Yes, sir. Even if I had gotten up here, I don't think I would have got up to here with that truck. With the snow on. I think the propane guy probably gets in here because he's got a lot more weight.
He does.
You know what I'm saying? That thing's not a very heavy truck. It's big, but not heavy.
Yeah. Well, if you were loaded, you'd probably be easier.
Yes.
All right. So you don't have any kind of a ratchet thing like you were talking about before.
Dump it underneath that thing on me. Can you just fish that through? On top of that. Wait a minute. I have to get up.
Oh, I got it. Yeah.
I gotta go over the bar.
That's over the top now.
Yeah, there we
Yeah.
go. Just like that. There we go.
Is that fast?
Yep.
Is there a tensioner of any sort?
Yeah, it's just a pulley, the spring.
Okay.
It pops on and off pretty easy with the bucket up.
All right.
Do it with the bucket up, you know what I'm saying? Because it shortens the length, the pressure on the...
I bought an extra belt just in case.
If you do blow a belt, you gotta take the blower off to tip it right up on the front, on there.
Uh-huh.
And you gotta take, and there's that plate down here. You can't see it because this is in the way, but there's a plate that pulley's on.
Uh-huh.
There's 4 bolts under there. You take the 2 top ones out, loosen the 2 back ones, and tip the plate, that whole thing down. You know what I'm saying? So you can get the belt in and out.
So
There's a belt thing you got to take off too.
Because otherwise you can't get any clearance. All right.
Yeah.
Good to know.
All right. So now, if you want to go and get the air,
All right.
I'll put on these. That. This.
So it looks like take it off. Just take.
You can leave this on.
Yeah,
just this here.
Just take that piece and everything is.
This will stay together, and if for storage, you can pop this off and put it, bring it on and lay it across.
Yeah, because probably what I'll do is put it on a dolly, just roll it into the corner.
Yeah. That controls that.
Got it.
It's got a little lock here, right, to lock it. Just, ever so gently, don't reef that thing. It locks both ways. So you just want to go keep this lubricated.
Okay.
If you can with a little bit of something. All right.
All right, I'll go get the air.